Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the phone and removing the SIM tray. This prevents short circuits. Once ready, heat the back glass evenly for about 80 to 120 seconds with a 80-100 degrees C pad or controlled hot air. This softens adhesive so you can pry safely. Use a suction cup to lift a corner and insert a 0. 2 to 0. 5 mm pick. Slide slowly around the curve. Make sure you do not force the pick under the display gap over 1 to 2 millimeters to protect underlying components. Once you have an opening, continue quadrant by quadrant and reheat sections as needed to keep adhesive pliable. This reduces cracking and shard spread. Remove screws and metal brackets securing the wireless charging coil and connector, and disconnect the battery before doing heavier removal to avoid shorting. Carefully lift out the broken glass fragments with fine tweezers, using a thin plastic card to scrape away large adhesive portions. Make sure to preserve the NFC and wireless charging components if reusing, and clean the frame thoroughly before applying new adhesive. You should reconnect the battery temporarily and power up to test touch, cameras, charging, and Face ID alignment if hardware moved. Do this before sealing. Once happy, remove protective liners from the new back glass adhesive or apply OEM adhesive tape. Align edges precisely and lower straight down to avoid trapping dust. Apply steady pressure or a vacuum press for 5 to 10 minutes and let adhesive set. Make sure the device remains undisturbed and avoid moisture for 24 hours. Troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.